Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. In the previous video, we have seen the frequency distribution of the categorical variables, and in this video, we'll see how to handle the descriptive statistics of continuous variables. To do that, let's click on Analyze, Descriptive Statistics, then Frequencies. So I will bring the continuous variables that are assigned with the ruler to this the variable list, and here are also other variables, mental health variables. So I brought them here. So from the statistics, here there are central tendency as well as dispersion values from central tendency according to the normality tests of your variables. Last time we have checked our variables are normally distributed. We decided it's normally distributed with several factors like with descriptives, mean, median, and trimmed mean, and also with skewness and kurtosis, and also graphically. So if it is normally distributed, we will report mean and with standard deviation, maximum and minimum. Usually we report that. If our variables are not normally distributed, we have to report the median values. Median is 25th and 75th percentile, and minimum and the maximum. Just for practice purpose, let me tick mean, median, standard deviation, minimum, maximum, and also quartiles. In some papers, you might see skewness and kurtosis. Normally, we have checked that. Our sample size is larger. Normality test, we have already discussed about that. I think reporting that is not that much important. Uh, in some areas, papers, you might also see the range. Normally, if you report the minimum and the maximum, range is the difference between maximum and the minimum. So, no need to report that. Variance and standard deviation. Variance is confusing to understand because it's the scale of the standard deviation. So standard deviation is much better to understand. Let's continue. In the chart section, I'll select nothing because already we have seen the histogram for that. Bar and pie chart is not suitable for these variables. From the format, I take nothing. I will take it as it is. From style, I take nothing. So from the display frequency table, I should untick this unless it will give me the huge bunch of numbers. So I have to uncheck that. Click OK. Okay, great. Here is the descriptive statistics of our variables. Here is the valid cases and the missing values. There is no missing value. And here are the valid cases. So here the mean, median, standard deviation, minimum, maximum, and percentiles, 25ths, 50s, and 75ths. This 50th percentile means it is the median value. So if you check the whole row, the median value and this 50 percentile are equal. So if our variables are not normal distributed, we report the median with 25th and 75th percentiles. Less and otherwise, we report the mean with standard deviations. So let's go to the Word document and export this information to the Word. This variable There is mean. You can write also like this, mean with standard deviation like this, or you can write standard deviation here, then minimum and maximum. Uh, from here, uh, usually what I do is I copy this the Excel document, sorry, the SPSS output to Excel. I don't want these rows. Let me remove. Okay, and also I don't want this. I don't want this. Yeah, and also this. Okay, great. And I will report just mean and standard deviation. So I will also delete the median. Then here I'll paste special, paste special here, transpose. Okay, so this will be, these are most our headings. So I can copy this. Okay, before that, let me let's make the decimal spaces two decimal space. Okay, great. So let me polish it here. ADHD, anxiety, self-esteem, and depression. You can say here total. So it shows the total value. Okay, good. Let's correct. Let's make smoother table. Cool. Okay. We narrate the table, like table to present descriptive statistics for university students involved in study, assessing their current academic status and mental health, and I mention their average age with standard deviation and the range, then the mean scores to each of the mental health scores, the mean with standard deviation. And there you have it. Descriptive statistics are just not numbers, they are your first impressions. Whether it's your thesis, journal article, or a client report, how you present your tables and figures can make or break your work. Remember, number one mistake. Most of the time, the number one mistake is dumping raw numbers without context or clarity. So the solution will be thoughtfully designed, well-labeled tables and visuals that tell a story at a glance. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips. And if you have any question or comments, please drop your questions in the comment sections. See you in the next video. Thank you.